Hello, my name is Sam Crawford, and I will be covering the 1954 Yangtze Floods. So, for causation, there was heavy rainfall from heavy precipitation storms in June and July on the high and low areas of the Yangtze River. And then there's a high volume and a lasting period of rainfall. There's an El Nino event that pushed the tropical storm southward, and there was unusual sea surface temperature, or SST, during the time which caused the major rainfall. Um, in June, the flooding lasted from June to September, and there were major floods in the Hubei province, which is 71,776 square miles. There was more water flow compared to the later floods in 1988, but it didn't reach the same heights. There was some evidence of deforestation and diking, which could have made the flooding worse in the area. And there was a formation of the Akadot High and Cold Trail above the Tibetan Plateau. They were closely related to the unusual precipitation over the drainage basin that year. For socioeconomic impacts, it destroyed many farms. There's about 25 million farms and million farms affected, and 33,000 people died. Millions of people were homeless and were rendered homeless. The town of Hankow was underwater for a month, and most of the rice that was grown near the banks was lost and caused a food shortage and supplies that couldn't be given out. Mitigations and adaptations. There's from the previous flooding in 1933, there was levees built which reduced some of the damage, and there was a big push for the Gazeba Dam and the Three Gorges Dam after the flooding in 1954, and there was a piping regime that helped people in need. These are my sources, and thank you.